Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a flip cup with some chameleon cells again. I just have some paints left in my squeeze bottles for quite some times and some in my uh, cups. So I just think, okay, let's do an experiment. I did a black and white separated kind of bottom with layering. I love to play with when I'm layering those. I don't know, I'm just trying to figure out if there is a lot of difference if I do it in two ways. So the colors that I used are black and white. I used some reds, carmine red, vermilion, iridescent blue red. This is iridescent green blue that totally disappeared. I had some violet and, as I said, black and white. And I just layered them kind of in, I don't know. I like to layer my paints and play with that. So there is no silicone in those paints. They are mixed with my pouring medium, that is acrylic binder by Bessner and acrylic emulsion by Dufa. I mixed that 70-30 for my pouring medium and then 2-1 to the paints. The best, I think, recipe for flip cups and cells had Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. I believe that she used Elmer's glue all and maybe she had something. I don't know. I recommend her channel if you want to, I don't know, learn about this a little more. So I was just, as you see, playing a little bit. I just trying to use those colors that I have left, so didn't, I don't know, think a lot, or how can I say, and because of that my painting turned out kind of dark, but still when I did the chameleon cells I bring out some white from underneath the colors, and it created kind of a planet look, or how can I say. And for the chameleon cells I will use a needle and silicone oil. I use Pebeo silicone oil for the cleaning part. I from my experience, if you use professional silicone oil, or how can I say that it's designed for pouring, it's really easier to clean than if you use treadmill silicone oil. This is just from my experience. I just wash that with dish soap and it's okay. It doesn't leave residue on your varnish or what you want to use for the sealing. Seal it. I don't know if this is the right word. So I scraped all the paint out and pour it around. I did the swirls over that I didn't like. I will till that over. I don't know, not swirls, ribbons. Sometimes you just play with paint, experiment, have fun, and sometimes something nice turned out of it. I really like the final result, so I will tilt it, the excess paint, and then do chameleon cells. And at the end I put this MDF board in the frame, so it's kind of a nice painting at the end. So enjoy and see you again on the next one. So here is the dried result, and I really love it. It's kind of dark, but still those planets kind of make the painting more, I don't know, it gives a little light. I did spray some white paint just for kind of a stars here. I don't know, this part is really dark, but still cool. I love this painting.